Okay, so let's go do number 21, and this is a degrees of freedom problem. Hopefully you remember these because they weren't that long ago. And so it's rows minus columns, and so we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 minus 1, which is 3, and then 1, oh wait, rock, rap, country, and pop. So it's 4 minus 1, which is 3, which is 9. Okay? What we want to do is find this expected value here, and remember that expected values still add up to the same thing that the observed values do. So 48 minus 25.15, and I get 22.85. 22.85, and I'm going to subtract that from 30. So 30 minus that gives me 715. 715. So the answer is 715. Okay, so what do we want to know? The expected value for those who earned at least a high school diploma and who are employed full-time. So it's 92 times 82 divided by 157, so my answer is B. Okay, so this problem here is a goodness of fit, and so we know that there's a total of 60 people, and they expect half to be brown eyes, and of those, it would be split evenly. Okay? So I'm going to go into my graphing calculator, and I have two lists, and so I've got my observed, which is 34, 15, and 11, and my expected, which is 30, 15, and 15. Okay, so let me go put this into my calculator. Okay, so my degrees of freedom are 2 because as I have 3 categories, so my chi-squared I get is 1.6. So that's more than 1 but less than 10, so my answer is B. Okay, let's continue with this, which is categorical data. So that's where the answer is like who you're going to vote for, Trump or Clinton. And so which of the following is not example? So that'd be categorical data. So that would be the number of dogs, the height of each person, or the number of people. It would be the height of each person because you have 2.6. Which one only has positive values? Distribution, that's chi-squared. Hopefully you remember that the Guinness beer is the t-test. Okay, let's do number 28 here. Which of the following p-value and alpha are given for a test warrants a rejection? Okay. So if we want a rejection, that means it has to be between 0 and 0.5. So it looks like here, so C is bigger than that, so it can't be that. A is bigger, it can't be that. D is bigger, and so is E, so the answer is B. Okay, let's finish number 29. And they say, which of these is a sample? Okay, which test am I doing here? Do you see we're doing P, so it's props. And there's 2 of them, P1 and P2. So this is now is this an interval or is this a test? Okay, remember an interval has plus or minus in it, so it's not an interval. So the answer is D, a test.